Alright, making some French toast this morning. This is the Anabolic French Toast. Okay. It's my favorite French toast to make. It's very delicious, very simple. Regular ass bread. That pans out. No homemade bread. This is all store-bought bread. This is like $1.30. My egg whites. Bam. Some stevia. I had a spoon. Here's a spoon. Done. What else? Cinnamon. Get my cinnamon going. Put it until it chimes, no measuring. It's whatever you want to do. Alright, vanilla extract. Use vanilla extract, vanilla flavor, vanilla bean, whatever. Or none at all. That's it. Put my blades on here. Mix. Done. Go back here, advance. Very easy. We just dump it in. Separate these a little bit. Just dump it in here. Put this one on top. Let them both soak it all in. And fry it up in a pan. And it's done. Easy, quick breakfast.